I have this RAR file on my iPhone, but I can't open it. If you are wondering how to open or extract a RAR file on your iPhone, this video is for you. I will show you how you can open or extract RAR file on iPhone without using any third-party apps. First, open the Files app. Make sure the RAR file you want to extract is already downloaded. If I try to open it directly, you will see it doesn't work. iOS can't extract them on its own, and there is no option to do it in the Files app, so we need a different method. Open the Shortcuts app. It's built into your iPhone. Tap on the plus icon at the top to create a new shortcut. You will see a menu with a search option at the bottom. Tap on it and type File. Make sure you select the one that says File, not Files. After that, tap on it. Then choose Open, which will bring up the Files app again. Locate the RAR file you want to extract, tap on it, and hit Open. Next, tap the search option again and type Extract Archive. Select it. This step will tell the shortcut to extract the RAR file. Finally, tap the plus icon one more time and choose the location where you want to save this extracted file. You can also rename the shortcut if you want, Extract a RAR file. That way you know exactly what it does when you want to use it later. To extract your file, just tap your new shortcut, choose where you want to save it. The app will show a little spinning icon while it extracts. Big files might take a few minutes, small files will be done in 10-15 seconds. Once it's done, check the Files app. You will see a new file. This is your extracted version of the RAR file, ready to open. Want to extract another file? You don't need to create the shortcut again. Tap the three dots on the shortcut, replace the old file with the new one, and run the shortcut again. Pick your save location, and it will extract the new file. Repeat this process for as many RAR files as you want. And that's it. That's how you can extract RAR file on your iPhone using just the built-in Shortcuts app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech videos.